Alright, so this is the kidney dissection. So on the outside of it, you have the capsule that encases the entire thing. That also encases the renal corpuscle, as well as moving from the outside in. Right here, you have the cortex that encases these little pyramid looking objects. The pyramids in between them is the medulla. At the base of each pyramid is the papilla, as well as the lobe. This piece right in here is, or right about here, is the calyx. And that's kind of what holds all of the urine before it is excreted out through the urethra or ureter. These up here that look like one big stalk, the top part of it is actually the renal artery, and this part is the renal vein. They all connect at the hilus, which goes into the pelvis of the kidney.